everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. I believe that this is the last layout that I did at my scrapbook retreat. I am starting out by inking some paper here that peach colored, sort of little striped paper, or not striped, but it has a little line going across it. It's from Crate Paper Fresh Bouquet, and it's the fern paper. And then I have this striped paper from Maggie Holmes' Road Trip, and I don't know what paper that is. It was a scrap, and then I'm going to put that on this background of this really sweet, beautiful blue heart paper from Maggie Holmes' Road Trip. It's the documented paper. And so the reason I inked those is, even though they're all Crate paper, they're not all from the same collection. I think it brings everything together and helps it feel a little bit more vintage-like and kind of nice. So that's my photo there, and it feels a little vintagey with I have a filter on there. So I'm grabbing some just Crate paper miscellaneous pieces, and that's where this journaling card is coming from here. Miscellaneous, can't tell you exactly what this is or where it came from. And I'm just kind of playing around with where that angle is. Sometimes I'll put a punched border or some washi on the join where two pieces of paper come together when I do a 1/3, 2/3 layout, which is what this background is. But in this particular case, the ink, which is vintage photo, by the way, Tim Holtz, but that ink kind of acts as the border there. So I don't have to really do that here. So then I have these flowers. That peach flower there is from Maggie Holmes' Road Trip. It's the chipboard pieces there, the chipboard sticker. So that is already up high. It has some dimension to it. And then I have this yellow flower, which came from Maggie Holmes' Road Trip, the 6x12 sticker sheet. So I had to put some foam tape on the back of that so that was raised as well. I didn't have to, but I think it would have looked funny because the top flower would have then had a lot more weight if I didn't do that. That top flower is bigger and could have a lot more weight, except it's kind of a peachy pink and it's on that peach background. So I think it doesn't look quite as weighty as it could. I'm having ATG issues here. I think I've talked about that before. All right. So there you go. You can kind of see the comparison there of how that looks, that it isn't quite as weighty as it could be. So then I'm going to take the sticker back off of that, and I always add foam adhesive to the back of chipboard, or pretty much always do, because that does dry out otherwise, and I've had things fall off. So I have a bunch of Maggie Holmes miscellaneous things here, so I just kind of need to figure out what I'm going to do here. Okay, so there's some more kind of chipboard there. I'm trying to figure that out, if I like that piece. And then I go back to the Round Trip one, and it says, "You Are My Happy." That came from the Round Trip chipboard as well, too. And I'm liking the way that looks, kind of stuck in there. And it's "You Are My Happy" because this is a photograph I took of one of my and my boyfriend's favorite spots. It's above a lake, and we love to go there during the summer. There's a little pop-up beer garden there. And it's just beautiful to sit on top of this hill and look down into that lake, or look down at that lake. And that's what we were doing on this particular day. It was July 4th, actually. Okay, adding those pieces in. Feeling like I need to take up a little bit more space there on above the yellow flower. Okay, so I'm looking through that Road Trip sticker book to see what else I can find there. And I found some stickers there that I think will be great for the title. It says "Wander Together." The two, and that's what I'm going to use as my title on this, because we do a lot of wandering together and have a lot of good times. So that's from the sticker book. I like the way they look, and I like that I can use them together, which I think is how they were actually intended. And then back to that road trip sticker book, and I found a couple of gold hearts here. I think I'm looking for the other one. So I'm just going to add that, and that will again help draw your eye towards that cluster on the bottom. I added, I'll add 2 more hearts there. So that'll spread, the wander is in gold, the together is in the peachy pink, but it'll help spread some of that gold around as well. And then there was a geotag here in gold, so I thought that worked out pretty well, just to play up on the wandering theme and where we are again. All right, there we go. All right, here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.